Hey guys, this is Roshni and it is my YouTube channel. In this channel, I am going to post videos about Rubik's Cube and videos about origami. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you won't miss any video uploaded by me. In this video, I am going to show you the collection of my Rubik's Cube and some of the origamis made by me. So let's start with the Rubik's Cube. A 2x2 Rubik's Cube. It is also known as a pocket cube. 3x3 Rubik's Cube. 4x4 Rubik's Cube. The 5x5 Rubik's Cube. It is also known as the Professor's Cube. The Squeak Cube. This cube turns in a very weird manner. The Megamis. This cube is same as the 3x3 cube, but the only difference is that it has 12 faces and a 3x3 cube has only 6 faces. The Mirror Cube. This cube is also same as the 3x3 cube, but the only difference is that when we scramble this cube, it takes up a weird shape. A Pyramid. A Snake Cube. When we scramble this cube, it takes a shape of snake. Let's start with the origami. This is the origami transforming ninja star. At normal state, it looks like a frisbee. And when we transform this star, it turns into an 8-pointed ninja star. This looks like a fish. And here comes a spinner. And this is a bird. A safe box. You can keep things inside this and it is very difficult to open it. A double ninja star. This ninja star at normal looks like a 4-pointed ninja star and it can transform into an 8-pointed ninja star. Another bird. This bird can flap its wings. A bat. This is a box. Here is the mobile stand. In this you can keep your phone. You can also transform it into a diamond and you can keep it wherever you want. And you can open it and use it as a stand. This is also a transforming ninja star. It normally looks like a frisbee and when you transform it, it also turns into an 8-pointed ninja star. And at the last is this monster nail. It looks creepy. And this is my collection of Rubik's Cube and origami. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon. Stay home, stay safe.